Good morning, everybody. Today we are discussing about access. It's your chapter 3, and in this chapter we learn what is database, what is the use of database, what is the structure of database, how to create database and table in database, how to store information, edit, that means modify the information, and save your information on closing the database management system. So before going it, number of times we are discussing about the computer, and a simple way we say computer is an electronic machine that input data, process it, and gives the desired output. Desired output in the sense, what is the information those we want. Okay, so after processing of data, the result come out known as information. For example, simple example of database: contact detail. Contact detail means we write or store mobile number, person name, address in telephone diary. Nowadays it is not necessary because our mobile can store all information, but previous 10-15 years, you can say 2000, 2004, 5, generally people have a landline or BSNL phone, so people can make a diary, or in this diary he wrote the name, number and address in an alphabetical order. This diary comes in the market also. Nowadays it's also available, but people nowadays can't be used. Some people also use, but not in a popular way. Your mark sheet or your examination score also written in a report card. It's a simple example of database. So like this, organization also deal with different type of data, like number of employees in a company, their personal detail, salaries, product, stock, price, department. All these are raw fact. Raw fact in the sense it has no direct meaning. Suppose I want some information about those employees who joined in 2005. Suppose in our company thousands of people are working, and I want only name of those people who joined our company in 2005. So for this we use some commands, some command sequence, or after providing this command sequence we get desired information. So how to manage our stored data, and according to the need how to retrieve. it's a major task, and this can be easily maintained with the application database management system. In the market, number of applications, number of softwares are available, like Oracle, Sybase, Access, in a previous Fox Pro. Nowadays we are using and we are going to learn Access. This is the Microsoft product, and it's come MS Office package. In a MS Office, you are also to read the MS Office like a Word, Excel, PowerPoint. So Access also come this package, and we go for how to learn and how to use Access. So before going it, we want to discuss about database. What is database? So you can say database is an organized collection of related data. Related data in the sense, for example, for your admission number or registration number, if we want any type of information about you, if I put your admission number in the school desk, then we get all information like your name, date of birth, in which year you joined the school, in which class you joined the school, what is the status of your face, what is the status of your development, like your mark sheets, your report card also. So you can say database can be used to generate useful information. Suppose I want your parent mobile number. In this situation, if you not provide by you, suppose you not give me, you have some fear, what's talk to my parents. In this situation, I go to the school desk, put your admission number, and after the searching information we get your parents mobile number. So it is the necessary for decision making process. A database using it is the necessary part. So we can say easy to maintain a small database, but in a large sum we can use other activity. But a small database we can easily manipulate, but in a large organization it is not easy to store and process manually. An electronic database store in computer, store data effectively, and give a simple platform or help to manipulate or retrieve. Manipulate in the sense we want to any type of modification, changing in the database. I want information, this is the retrieval. After storing information we get information known as a retrieval. So any type of manipulation and retrieval very quickly and accurately. You can get an simple example at the railway station, the inquiry area, where you can ask any type of question about any train. Suppose you want to go Delhi and you want information about the running train, what is the situation, why delay, in which station crossing this train. So when you go to the inquiry, all information are easily available by the person who sit there. So like this, if you want any query, any vital information according to your job, you can easily retrieve. And if you want to any modification, it is also available. Simply this is the also available in a quick way and accurately. This is the most important thing. Database always give your information in an accurate way without any error, in a fast manner. So data in a database is stored in the form of table. You are knowing a table comes with row and columns, and the intersection of row and column known as cell. So database combination of number of tables, related tables, and each table have a unique information, and after analyzing all information you can get desired information with the help of database. So a question is raised, what is database management system? Before we are talking about what is database, now we are going for the database management system. So for this we can say database management system, in a short form you can say the DBMS, is a computer based application that is used to create, store and manipulate database. Database help in quick retrieval of processed information from large complicated database. Next time we are discussing about the advantage of database management software, and after that we discuss Access 2010. So firstly you read the chapter, and if you have any question, put under this. Thank you.